what's going on over there?
Hey Alex, just hanging out at the Monogram Design Center here in Chicago, exploring some of the Wi-Fi capabilities of the 5-in-1 oven with Advantium technology.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Tell me a little bit more.
All right, well, it walked me through the Smart HQ app, walked me step by step through how to go ahead and get connected with the oven. So we're already there. So this is one of the pieces we've got connected. You see we have the dishwasher and our Advantium or 5-in-1 oven connected. So let's go in here and explore. So one thing we have is precision cooking modes. All right, so what the precision cooking modes in the 5-in-1 oven are the 175 pre-programmed menu items that already come preloaded onto the oven. So if I select, for example, fresh and go to baked goods, we've got the option of breads and desserts. Everybody likes breadsticks, right?
Oh yeah, give me a good Papa John one.
So we got the breadsticks. It's telling me to use the metal tray. It's only gonna take 7 minutes and 15 seconds from start to finish, no preheating. And you see there, I just started cooking. That sent all the information to the oven, good to go. And what's nice is I even have some control right here from the phone, even after I start cooking. So if I want to add 30 seconds at a time, I can absolutely do that right from the app. I can even change the power settings here. So the 240 volt version, you've got your upper heater, your lower, your microwave and convection, and these handy slides. So I can even raise or lower the power levels of the different elements to really customize these cooking cycles. So I'll just go ahead and hit update. Maybe I didn't want them as crispy as I thought, and there we go. So this is optimizing and making adjustments based on the input from the app. And now there's another really great feature.
Quick question, can I turn off the breadsticks from the phone?
Absolutely. Oh, that's a great point. So I can just hit that little power emblem, and you see there, that went ahead and stopped the cooking cycle.
Nice.
So all the functionality you've got right at your fingertips. And then we've got another great feature that's new, and this is the recipes function. So again, precision cooking, those are the menu items that are already preloaded onto the oven, but if I want to further expand the capabilities, I can go right in here to Advantium Recipes, and we've partnered with recipe apps such as Init and Drop and Heston Q, and we have all these different recipes now that we can go ahead and use with the 5-in-1 oven. So let's see, let's just go ahead and pick, for example, barbecued riblets. All right. So what this has, this tells me all the ingredients that I need and even gives me preparation instructions. So not a whole lot to these ribs here, just a couple steps. But once I've done those steps, I can go down here, I can select the Start Cooking button, and on the display it says, great, your app's got it from here. So now this begins the process of preparation and everything. So step one, going to go ahead and season. We'll assume I've done that. And now we're ready to cook. So this is telling me the power level that it's going to be at. It's telling me to use the metal tray. And all I got to do, scroll up a little bit, hit Start Cooking, and you see on the display there, barbecued riblets. It's optimizing the cooking time, but start to finish, 13 minutes with no preheating. We even have a beautiful picture in the background of our riblets. And now we're already cooking.
Wow, that's pretty incredible.
Yeah, I think this oven was meant to be used with Wi-Fi functionality, and I'm so glad that we've got this LCD touchscreen now that allows us to do it.